In this video, we will talk about protecting your crypto investments and trades. And apart from that, I'll introduce you to an amazing new wallet called Defexa. So without further ado, let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, so now let's get started with the video. And before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for this video will be down in the description. So if at any point of time you actually want to check out some of the things we will be talking about in this video, check out the description and there you will be able to find out everything, including an amazing campaign / giveaway, which I'll introduce you to at the end of this video. So if you want to participate in that and actually get some free dollars, check that out as well. Alright, so the first thing we'll do in this video is we'll talk about protecting your crypto investments. Nowadays, crypto is obviously still in a bear market, but still a lot of new investors and traders are getting into crypto investing and trading, whether that's swing trading, day trading, or scalping. A lot of people are getting into that, and a lot of people actually lose a lot of money because they do not have good risk management, for example, or their investments and just their entire way they're going about with crypto isn't secure. So I'll quickly introduce you to some tips, tricks, or at least rules you need to know to safely trade crypto, or at least as safely as possible, and to securely invest in crypto. So let's get started with that. And after that, I have an amazing new project I wanted to talk about. So these first three things are really about trading. With trading in crypto is first of all very difficult. It's a very volatile market. So for example, one crypto can go up 10% and then down 20%. Whereas with stocks, it's way less volatile. So one of the main things you need to know is capital allocation. You should not allocate too much capital per trade or per investment. This really goes for trading and investments. So for example, if you have $100 to trade with, or you have $100 just in general in crypto, you should not open a trade with $100, but rather with $2, like 2%, 5% of your entire portfolio. And the same with investing in crypto, you should not invest more than 10% in one crypto coin. Sure, it might do very well, but then you also still profit off of it, whether you invest 10% in it or 100%. And if it fails while you invested 100%, you're in trouble. Apart from that, especially while trading, you need to calculate the risk to reward ratio. So you have to calculate, what if I lose? How much percentage of my portfolio will I lose? And if I win, how much will I win? Because you always want to win more than you lose. Then you only need a 50% win-loss ratio to actually get a profit and to be a profitable trader. Apart from that, I would always suggest you use a stop loss order. I've seen a lot of crypto traders lose their entire account because they do not use a stop loss order. In crypto, you might be 90% sure about a trade, but if anything happens in the world and it goes against your trade and you don't have a stop loss order, you could lose everything by being liquidated. So that's why I would always suggest you to use a stop loss order when you're trading. When investing, this is a little bit of a different thing, because with investing, you usually do not use leverage, whereas with trading, sometimes you do. So with investing, I never use a stop loss order. I just buy crypto coins and I hold that. If they go to zero, that's part of my risk management, because that is key. Risk management with investing in crypto and while trading. Apart from that, I also wanted to go over 10 very easy security and privacy tips. And these really have to do with crypto in general. So for your accounts, for your wallets, that type of stuff. Because in crypto, there are a lot of phishing scams, a lot of scammers in general, but also hackers. So by using all of these tips and measures and knowing about them, you can decrease the chances significantly that you will lose your money due to a hacker or something. So let's quickly dive into them. So first of all, and this speaks for itself, but you have to use complex passwords. And passwords you do not use for anything else. Then you have less risk that your password is actually already leaked or that somebody will guess it. Apart from that, also avoid public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi can allow hackers to actually get your passwords. Beware of phishing scams. Free crypto really doesn't exist. So if something says that they will give you free crypto, don't trust it. Also, don't store your cryptocurrency on exchanges, or at least not all of it, because if something happens with the exchange, like FTX, you'll lose it. Keep your devices safe, so your PC, your desktop, your telephone, keep them safely in your room, or make sure that you have good passwords to secure those devices. Apart from that, always enable two-factor authentication on your exchange or on your wallet, so that you always have to have two forms of authentication, and not just someone with your password can do everything with that. Also, you should keep it private. Keep all of your holdings private, because if you just go about and tell everybody about it, then there might be a reason that they might want to steal it from you. Apart from that, you should also avoid sending funds to a wrong address. So for example, if you want to send some funds over somewhere to a different address, make sure to double check it, make sure that you copy the right address. And last of all, work with a reputable cryptocurrency wallet. And about that, I actually have a reputable wallet with way more features to tell you about. And that is the Defexa wallet. Within the Defexa wallet, you can actually very safely and very secure store all of your crypto assets. And you can also, on their application, which is downloadable on the App Store and Google Play and has a very easy and good interface. And apart from that, a very intuitive and easy to do verification process. You can download that on the App Store and Google Play. And lastly, which we just talked about, which is very, very important, it also has superior security. And they're using AppSec to provide banking level security for all of the clients if you download their application and start using Defexa for your cryptocurrency holdings. So again, also for the Defexa wallet, which I would definitely recommend you to check out, all the links will be down in the description, including a link to Gleam, where they are actually launching their own welcome bonus program with a 750 USDT reward pool. So via that link, and here you can see it on the screen, you can actually participate in this welcome bonus competition. And if you participate, be there quickly, you can win from a 750 USDT reward pool. So definitely check that out. All right, so for now, we've reached the end of this video. We talked about some excellent security and risk management tips. And apart from that, we also talked about Defexa, an amazing, secure cryptocurrency wallet. So for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.